Hey there, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2019 Volvo XC60 T5 Momentum in osmium gray metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This all-wheel drive SUV has less than 17,000 miles on it, which is low mileage for a 2019. It has a clean CARFAX and has been owned by one person previously. Full set of brand new tires on those 20-inch wheels. Those are my favorite XC60 wheels. It has a backup camera, blind spot information system, city safety collision avoidance. There's cross traffic with auto braking, so all of these safety systems are in place to help you avoid accidents. One of the safest cars on the road for sure. T5 is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. It has keyless entry and a hands-free power liftgate. I love the distinct taillights. The distinct, Thor's hammer headlights are pretty cool too, but these taillights in a line of traffic really stand out. Plenty of room in the back. I have the back headrest folded down for better visibility while driving without passengers. Giant panoramic sunroof that has a power sunshade. This has the buttons here where you can fold down the back seats from right here. Those fold flat. Osmium gray looks good on everything. I love this color. And this one also has the booster seats in the back. So if we pop that back up, there are booster seats on both sides. Easy to pop up. And those headrests are also very easy to pop up. It has the upgraded Harman and Kardon stereo system. And these seats were originally a $1,600 upgrade. So you get the 4-way lumbar support, you get power or memory seats for both the passenger and the driver, memory seating for 2, and it has the leg extension piece. So I have the passenger seat is extended all the way and the driver's seat is tucked in all the way. And these seats are super comfortable. Your ignition switch is here, and it does have adjustable drive modes. You see all of your safety systems listed upon startup. That's part of this IntelliSafe system, which is a radar-based system. Open up that sunroof, let in a ton of light. If there are 3 screens to this home page, so you see these white dots at the top, that indicates that there are 3 screens. Those lines indicate that you can drag that down. So we'll go over to this side. This is where you'll see some of those vehicle functions. You can actually fold down the headrests in the back seat from here. And then this also has private locking. So if you set this private locking, don't forget the code. Most important, don't forget the code. If you set that code, you can not open the back tailgate unless you put that code in. So if you have some, really important things that you're carrying around under the luggage rack, you can put a cage in the back there and keep things super, super secure. You know, for some people that is really an important detail. Your backup camera is here, and of course when you shift into gear, that'll pop right up. Climate control is all right here. Move this around, break the chain, so you and your passenger can have separate climate zones. Your heated steering and heated seat controls for the front are here. This center is your main screen. This is where most of the things that you use immediately are just at a quick touch. And then off to the left, you'll see the option to download whatever apps you like. This has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So if you don't like this navigation system, if you're used to using other things like Waze or Google Maps, you can certainly do that. Well, this is a beautiful XC60, and it is available for immediate delivery. This is stock number 6182A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details. Come see us on 9US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine, and we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot from Portland Volvo.